Welcome to Canton Fair Phase 3 Day 2. Guys, today I'm not feeling that well because I have flu, but I still come here to shoot the Canton Fair because I don't want that you miss any kind of new innovation, new product, because Canton Fair is a hub of innovation. All the new product will showcase here. So I don't want that you miss any kind of new product. And today I'll cover the toy section because I think the toy section is very big and it's like the $120 billion industry. This video would help you a lot to grow your business if you are doing the e-commerce, if you are doing the wholesale, and if you don't have idea what to sell, what to do. So this video will really help you. And if you haven't watched the phase 1, phase 2, you should go to my channel and watch those videos. That would really help you a lot. You can subscribe and you can appreciate my work, and let's explore together. Let's begin. Petrol prices are too high right now. So right now, China has a great innovation. This horse won't take any kind of food, any kind of oil. You just need to use your legs to ride this horse as well. And I just made the Facebook group. You can go and join my Facebook group as well. There you will see the FOB prices, the new latest product, new innovation, and the ammo queue as well. And you can also share the ammo queue with other members. There's a link. You should go and join my Facebook group. So this is a Siren with me, and their expertise is like they're making all kinds of indoor playing area. And the best part of their factory is they can do all the planning, like 3D map, and they will give you the proper planning. So Siren, could you tell us like what's your expertise?
Our factory is in Hunan, Changsha. Our factory is 20,000 square meters.
Okay, great. So, for example, if my followers and my clients, if they find you for like, if they don't have the planning, like if they want that, you can give them proper planning and everything. How do you manage it?
We were making a game list and then a 2D game layout and then 3D renderings, like the 3D rendering. And then we convert the 3D rendering. We can make a production, customized production according the 3D rendering.
Great. So you will handle everything?
Yes, we will handle everything. We're doing the project for and the turkey solution for indoor playground customers.
Okay, so they are making different kind of playing areas, and so if you need the further details, you can contact with me.
Let me have a photo.
Sure, no problem. Where are you from?
India.
Brothers.
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 Neighborhood.
没关系. Thank you.
Thank you.
Check out these one. Actually, the quality is quite great, and the best part of this one is this is electric. You don't need to ride by yourself, and the quality standard is very good. And the FOB price of this one is like, check out this one, $38.8, and one color, 100 pieces MOQ. And this one, I think this is more special. Check out this one. There's a light here as well, and there is no sound here. There's no sound in the tires, and the price is like $53.5 FOB. And this one, it has different emojis here. You can it has different buttons as well, and the price is like the $43.5. This factory here, I'm here at Canton Fair, so you can see they have different kind of models, and yep. Check out this one. I think right now they have a good innovation in the magnetic blocks as well. Before we use this kind of blocks, but right now this factory, they made the smallest one. For example, this is very good for the traveling, and check it out. This one. Small sizes, and yeah. It's very convenient. And for example, this one is like 1.72 FOB, $1.72. So you can get in different sizes, different prices. And the big one is like $7.27 FOB. So they have different kinds of blocks and the magnetic blocks. So if you need the further details, you can contact with me. Don't let your kids to do the DIY on the buildings, blocks. Check out this beauty. Let them do this so they can be a great engineer as well. I think this is something unique, something great. Oh my goodness. Check out this one. So The FOB price is like $9.4, 50 pieces. Check out the packaging. One is this kind of packaging, another one is that one. And if you go for the small one, this is just $2.4 FOB. $2.4. And you can see this factory have a lot of different kind of products. Check out this one. This is, I think, something unique. This is the beach toy and the beach bucket, and the price is FOB is like 1.34 FOB. And it is foldable and very light, easy to carry, and you can save a lot of money in logistic as well. And here, this one, this is a bigger one. This is $1.35, and check out this one. It would be like this. So it's very convenient right now. $1.35. And this one is without packaging in this kind of net. And this is just 97 cents. And this is the size is very small. So I think they have different kinds of the beach product. If you need the further details like their catalog, their more products, you can contact me. I can help you more. I think this product, you don't need to do any kind of advertisement. Check out this one. This is something unique. And the best part is it's the chargeable. You can charge it, and it has the music as well. And the FOB price is like the $3.2. And this factory, they are making the beach product. I think their product is quite unique. Check out this one. I think this is the same concept as Labubu. This factory, they are making the, I think this is something different because they have different kind of toys like the Unicorn Mary. And they have surprises like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have 6 kind of dolls here. And it works same as Labubu, you can see. And the FOB price is like the $2.8 for the different colors. And if you go for the same one, so it would be like $2.2 or $2.3. So they have different kinds of dolls here. And yeah, and the quality standard is good. This factory, I think they're also making something unique. And they just told me about their viral products. This is the viral one. This is like 2.05. And it has two categories. You can check out this one. One is this one. Another one is this one. This is 2.05 FOB, and this is also viral. Just now they told me like $1.05. This also has sound as well. And check out this camera. It has sounds, music, and same work. Like this is 2.05. This is $1.5 FOB. Check out these balls. I think they're quite unique, and the price is quite reasonable. They have different kinds. This is a heaven of balls. And for example, this one is the bouncy one. And this one is the LED. It has the LED as well. And they have different kind of design, different kind of balls here. Let me show you the prices here as well. Check out this one. This one is like the 80 cent FOB price. And this one is the 80 cent FOB price, the bouncy one. And this one, the LED one, is 90 cent. But they have different kind of innovative balls here, very cute designs as well. Check out this one. I think this is something unique. It's like $4.65. There's a light there as well. And this one, let me show you this one. Check out this one. This is $1.35 FOB price. They have different kind of the bubble machines, bubble gun. Yeah. And check out this one. This is like 64 pours, and the MOQ is like the $4.34. And this is very light actually. I hope you liked today's video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel because I have flew today, but I still come here and shoot the video for you, show you the new innovation, new product. I really don't want that you miss the Canton Fair, you miss the new product, and those products would be very beneficial for you. And if you haven't watched the phase 1, phase 2, you can go to my channel and watch this video because all the products are the new products and the new innovation. And I'll cover all the phases like in phase 3. I'll also cover clothes, shoes, bags, medical items as well. So subscribe my channel and see you in next video. Stay premium.